Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. Today I made a beautiful rice salad. Summertime, shout out to all the graduates. You guys know who you are. Follow along and you can see step by step how to make this beautiful salad. Come on. All right everybody, the first thing you're gonna need to make that amazing summer salad is I cooked 3 cups of rice. It's still warm. I have a couple of hard-boiled eggs. I have some little tomatoes. I have a half a jar of pickled vegetables with the liquid. Red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, pepper, some olives. I have wild arugula. I have radishes. I have some soppressata, and I have some beans. So first thing I'm going to show you how to do is the dressing. Okay. Pickled vegetables, the liquid, Cento. I'm gonna pour about a half a cup, a little more probably, of the liquid. I'm gonna put about a quarter of a cup, probably more, closer to a half, and then a little bit of red wine vinegar, maybe a little more of that, and then salt and pepper, and then I'll show you what I do to make it all combine. Okay, I poured all the ingredients, and all you do, it's easier if you mix it in this, or you can put a container, so this way it all gets emulsified together. I think it tastes better this way. And then over the warm rice, because it's better when it's warm, it'll absorb it all. Just mix it all together, okay? Now I'm gonna chop up the vegetables. You can chop them up as big or as little as you want. I'll show you what mine look like. Okay, everything is chopped. Again, as big or as little as you like. And this way you can sample it. Here's the rice, and all you do is pour it right in. That's why I like these little cutting boards. Okay? And just mix it in. Now, again, this is completely meatless. You can add the soppressata or not, the beans or not. All I do now is mix in. I'm going to mix in the beans and the other stuff. And then I slice the olives on top. So I'll show you. Let me mix this up and then we'll do the eggs. All right, everybody. I sliced the eggs. See how pretty that looks? It's a beautiful summer salad. Make it the night before so all the flavors marinate, they marry together. And I hope your family loves it as much as mine does. See you later.